Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our LUMP practitioners. Let's welcome, straight from Sampaloc, Manila, Mom Trix Guevara. She will help us answer all of the questions that we have prepared.
Good
Welcome.
afternoon, Doc.
Okay,
Hello, good afternoon.
good afternoon. Let's start. So let's start with the first one. I hope everyone is familiar with Yang Wei Mai. What are the other names given to Yang Wei Mai?
Also called Yang Linking or Yang Network Vessel.
Okay. It links the yang, no? Last time we talked about yin wei mai. So
Yeah.
it's linking all the yin. This time we link all the yang. Where does the yang wei mai originate?
Near the heel at the bladder 63.
Yes. And where did the yin wei mai originate? I'm nakalimutan
Um,
na.
63.
O hindi
Wait,
Yin wei mai.
again, way. Uh,
Remember kidney 9. Remember?
yes,
Other
okay.
63. Where does the yang wei mai travel? So this has to be detailed. Go.
It ascends along the lateral malleolus and then up the gallbladder channel of
Okay.
the leg to pass through the hip region,
Okay.
ascends along the posterior lateral region of the back to the posterior axillary fold at small intestine 10.
Yes. My favorite point, SI-10. Kaya pala ang ganda-ganda ng
Um,
response ng mga pasyente, especially women. Um, yung mga may mga stress issues. You try
mm,
SI-10, the finale. So now we know. We start on with bladder 63. Okay. Connecting all the young. Once the yang wei mai is at SI-10, where does it go?
hold on. It crosses the top of the shoulder and ascends along the neck and jaw, then passes anterior to the ear as far as the forehead, and then crosses the parietal region through the points of the gallbladder channel as far as GB20, and then connects with the DO at DO 16 and 15.
Dumadaan pa sa parietal, no? Babalik lang naman pala
Correct.
sa do 16, do 15, no? What are the master and couple points? Now, this is very, very important.
Um, Sanjiao 5 and gallbladder 41.
Yes. What are the core lesson points of the Yang Wei Mai? So these are the points that you have to use or that you will have to traverse. Let's start with bladder 63.
63 and gallbladder 35, SI10, Sanjiao 15, gallbladder 21, stomach 8, gallbladder 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Lahat na.
18, 19, 20,
Yes.
and then do 15 and 16.
Okay, to enter the brain. Very good. What is the Shi cleft point of the Yang Wei Mai?
Gallbladder 35.
What was the Shi cleft point of the Yin Wei Mai?
Uh,
Kidney 9.
kidney 9.
What is the physiology of the Yang Wei Mai? Always compare talaga ha, kasi yin, yang, ganun lang.
Yan, yan.
So,
Physiology.
remember, there's something wrong with the heart if you cannot remember again. Long term. 1 week. Physiology of the Yang Wei Mai. Functions.
It dominates the exterior, balances the yang qi, balances the emotions, and links all the yang channels.
Yeah, my favorite function here is balancing emotions. Sa totoo lang, ang daming pasyente may emotional issues. Pathology of the Yang Wei Mai, or what happens when there is a problem.
There's visual dizziness, dyspnea, acute and sudden pain and swelling of the lumbar region, chills or fever, dyspnea with raised shoulders and fevers and chill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes kasi 'Di ba? They would think visual dizziness. Baka they might just need new glasses. But in reality, kailangan mo silang turuan ng Yang Wei Mai. So if you see these other symptoms associated with the visual dizziness, then you know what to do. Pathology
Mm.
of the Yang Wei Mai.
Chills and fever, vertigo, muscular fatigue, stiffness and pain, pain and distension in the waist.
Yeah. Chills and fever because it actually takes care of the exterior, 'di ba? Kaya yung mga madaling magkasakit dyan, madaling mahilo, you might consider using Yang Wei Mai.
Mm.
Pathology, okay, ito yung mga patterns.
Okay, there's Taiyang syndrome, Xiaoyang syndrome, Yang Qi excess, Yang Qi deficiency,
Hmm.
emotional disorders, channel obstruction, and disharmony of the yin and yang wei channels.
Yes, great. Yang Wei Mai ascends, paulit-ulit lang, 'di ba? From the GB, not GB, UB63 where it goes up to
Three.
lateral malleolus, papunta sa yeah, punta ng lateral aspect of the body. Which one? Which aspect?
The posterior
Posterior
aspect
part. And then Yang Wei Mai ascends to the posterior axillary fold at,
as item.
yeah, sa may kilikili konti. Yang Wei Mai crosses the top of the shoulder at these 2 points. What are they?
Sanjiao 15 and gallbladder 21.
Yeah. Actually, no. You just have to, apply pressure on GB21. Usually may mga emotional issue talaga yan, especially women. Yang Wei Mai
Hmm.
ascends anteriorly to the ear to reach what point?
Stomach 8.
Yeah, stomach 8. Yeah. Yang Wei Mai crosses through the parietal region through yung
Uh,
dami-daming gallbladder points. From what gallbladder point to what?
Gallbladder 13 to 20.
Yes, 1340, yeah, to 20. Yang Wei Mai connects
Hmm.
with the governing vessel or the two at the following C points. So these are actually C points. So para bang sa
So
sobra mong
15 and
emotion,
16.
doon mo na itatapon. What are the points?
Do 15 and 16.
Yes. And your patient will love you for it. Pathological symptoms, paulit-ulit, no? So earlier you told us that there is visual dizziness. That is number one. There will also be dyspnea, lumbar pains, chills and fever, dyspnea with raised shoulders, fever and chills. What is the Luo connecting point of the Sanjiao channel? Sanjiao.
Sanjiao 5.
Yes. The
Sanjiao.
confluent point of the Yang Wei Mai.
Sanjiao 5.
Yes. This is located too soon, proximal to SJ4, in the depression between radius and ulna, radial side of the extensor digitorum communis tendons. That's not communism, communis yan. Communis.
Sanjiao 5.
Tayo komunista. Elsewhere releases exterior benefits head and ears, opens the Yang Wei Mai. This is the opening point, no? Clears heat.
Sanjiao 5.
Yes. Makes sense because
Mm.
nililink niya yung Yang Wei tapos nilalabas tapos itatapon sa dagat, di ba? So Santiao 5. What is the shoe stream and wood point of the gallbladder channel?
Gallbladder 41.
This is the couple point of the Yang Wei Mai.
Gallbladder 41.
In the depression distal to junction of 24 of the fourth and fifth metatarsal, lateral side of the tendon of extensor digitorum longus. This is from the branch to the little toe.
Yeah, masakit. Gallbladder 41.
Yeah. I usually combine this with liver 3. Ang ganda ng effect.
Mm-mm.
No?
Pero
Talagang
masakit siya.
ah kailangan mo na lagyan mo na lang ng tube kahit ayun ng doktora pa lang ka may tube. Para naman komportable yung pasyente. It spreads liver chi, you see, benefits the chest. Also the lateral costal region and breasts. Clears head, benefits eyes, transforms phlegm, dissipates nodules.
Gallbladder 41.
Yeah, this is what I noticed now based on my experience. Women who worry too much, who are so emotional, they keep things to themselves. They usually have
Mm.
issues, no? So siguro,
Mm-hmm.
this time we know, you might want to palpate Sanxiao 5 and Chibi 41. They must all be very tender. She clef of the Yang Wei Mai,
Gallbladder 35.
located on the lateral aspect of the lower leg, 7 Tsun, above the prominence of the lateral malleolus in the depression of the posterior border of the fibula.
Gallbladder 35.
Activates the channel, alleviates pain, regulates gallbladder chi, calms the spirit. And this is rarely used. That's why ngayon ko nga lang nalaman ito pala yung she clef ng I'm not familiar with Yang Chow Mein. Anyway, rarely used. What is this point?
Gallbladder 35.
Determines how we connect with okay, the young Yang Wei Mai will determine how we connect with what?
External environment.
Yes. How you connect with people, how you connect with the world. So if you are a person who wants to just hide in your shell, kailangan mo nito.
Mhm.
What does Yang Wei Mai control?
It controls coordination. So it enters gallbladder 20 and records skills like swimming, bike riding, socialization.
Okay. It actually hones your how you coordinate your movement mo. Swimming, bike riding, socialization, balancing. It associates activity with what?
With time.
Yeah. I'm sure you're all familiar with deja vu, no? Yung hindi maiwan-iwan
Yes.
pa. Diba para bang feeling mo nag-isip mo?
It happened.
That,
It is a future validation. And yeah, and it happened na pala.
it
Deja
also happened to me when I went to
vu.
a place where a lot of people don't want to go.
Yeah.
I won't mention the place. Yang Wei Mai treatment gives the patient a chance to okay. Yeah.
A chance to renew and be a different person.
Okay. And not wallowing in the past. No, it's about
Yeah.
living the real world,
In the
living the real
now.
world in the now. Yes, very good. Renew and be a different person. Pwede ba yun? And changing expectations about the future.
Mhm.
Minsan kasi when your expectations are very unrealistic, you end up frustrated. So
Yes.
you should try to be more flexible. Be happy with what is in store for you. What are the treatment principles in the Yang Chow Mai?
Uh,
Yang
to
Wei Mai.
some
Yang Wei Mai.
to summon yang, to articulate yang, resolve dampness and resolve damp heat.
Yes. It's all about yang. Non-pathological state of
Optimism.
yeah, being positive. Walang ayan ha, optimism yan. Sorry. I will try to change that later. Pathological state. Um, Di ba yung when you talk about Yin Wei Mai, it's about being obsessed with the past. Ito naman, it's
Mhm.
obsessed with the future. Diba?
Mhm.
Oo, so, kasi young. So, the fish pathological state here is parang ina-anticipate mo na yung future. Kaya
Mhm.
you start worrying. And then so you exhibit Shaoyang conditions. When you have Shaoyang conditions, these are actually unresolved health issues kasi hindi tuloy-tuloy yung treatment or probably there was something wrong with the treatment, no? What is the classic sign of for you to be able to tell if the Yang Wei Mai is the way to go?
If it exhibits the Shaoyang,
Mm.
there's alternative. fever and chills, aversion to cold and high fever.
Yeah, there is alternating, no? Unlike sa Taiyang kasi it's simultaneous, no? And supposedly hindi siya aabot dito sa loob, no? But because there's no communication between exterior and interior, it gets stuck there. So you have you know, basta alternating fever and chills, aversion to cold, and at the same time, my high fever. Can you imagine? So, this is also common, no? Mainit yung kamay, pero ayaw niya ng malamig. Yeah. Physical indications of Yang Wei Mai, number one.
The way she is unable to reach the head. So there's sudden fainting, brain fog, blockage of upper orifices, dizziness, and disorientation.
So this is probably the reason why these people have visual dizziness, no?
Mm,
So there is something obstructing the Wei Qi. Hindi siya umaabot sa head. And that could have been the susceptibility to um, pathogenic factor invasion, di ba? Do you agree? So
yes.
because of the presence of phlegm. Okay, what is the number two physical indication for Yang Wei Mai?
There's lumbar swelling.
Yeah. Especially when you're afraid of something. Alam mo, pag afraid ka pala, hindi ka makagalaw.
Mm,
So there is no movement there. So there will be swelling. There will be like, basta masakit siya. So fear of the future, parang things like that. No?
mm.
Yang Wei Mai, number three, physical indications.
Alternating fever and chills, bitter taste in the mouth, nausea, vomiting, jaundice, loose stools, temporal headache, and migraines.
Okay, especially if you have, this is actually dampness talaga, no? Na nasa Shaoyang, parang hindi umalis, hindi ma-transform yung damp because mahina yung quality ng yang.
Mm.
Yang Wei Mai 4, physical indication.
Uh, Weiqi issues,
Mhm.
chronic respiratory, skin, sinew issues, burnt or scorched sinews.
So it's more of like exterior. Kasi nga hindi nagko-communicate ang exterior sa interior. The fifth physical indication.
Excess Weiqi issues,
Okay.
hypertension, liver fire, ENT issues, neuro issues.
Okay. Pag excess yung Wei Chi mo, hindi nagbubukas yung skin pores mo, 'di ba? So ang tendency, hindi ka magpapawis, hindi lumalabas. So
Mhm.
you have liver fire. But if
There-
you have deficient Wei Chi
mm-mm.
issues, nakabukas lang siya. Gets? Number six.
Headwind conditions. So Tourette's, Bell's palsy, multiple sclerosis, and migraine.
Now you see, even multiple sclerosis pala can be like we can prevent it if we do Yang Wei Man.
Mm-hmm.
Number seven,
Mm-hmm. Decision making and gallbladder issues or
also
herpes.
herpes, yeah. Number eight,
Um, Excess yang, muscles always firing, and then do becomes fatigue.
syempre, fire ng fire eh, nakapapagod din. Number nine,
Uh, PTSD, memory of trauma is stored in the bone. Oh
yeah.
no.
Example, you had a car accident, you were not injured, and then you grip the wheel hard,
Mm-mm,
it's chronic hand pain.
mm-mm,
So it is the memory that lingers, no?
mm-mm.
The memory of the trauma. Relatable, a joke lang. And
Yes.
it is stored in the bone.
Stored in the bone.
I'm sure you want to try this now. Okay, let's go now
Oh,
to
I need
psychological
this.
condition. I told you. Ito na yun. Kahit hinihintay mo. Okay, physical, psychological. Grabe talaga ang now I know. No, very ano talaga
Mm.
PTSD. Psychological conditions.
Overextended. So there's scatter, overextending, or yang she is not consolidated. Overcommit and long to-do list can't prioritize anything.
Yeah, this is especially true for people who have too many plans. Hindi mo na alam anong uunahin mo until you end
Mm.
up not being able to
Yeah,
carry
do
out.
any yeah.
I used to be like that. Oh, kailangan ko din yung check.
And you're like overwhelmed with
Yes,
all that.
overwhelmed. Kasi parang you have so many things going on until you're not able to produce na lang anything. Kaya ngayon, I just have to do it one at a time and
Mm.
try to be more realistic and just perform sa ano mo, yung makakaya mo lang. Kung hindi mo kaya, di ba,
Yes.
masiraan ka pa ng bait, di ba? What's the number two psychological condition?
Difficulty managing
Hmm.
change with socialization.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes you're so overworked, you don't want to socialize anymore. And because you're really, really preparing for the future, especially if you had a very bad experience, no, parang grabe ka nakaano because you don't want to commit the same mistake. Yung
Mm-hmm.
ganun, no? If you know what I mean. And number three,
Mm-hmm. Engaging in regular behavior as a result of trauma.
so is there something you want to comment here? Every time I think of that, I must do this. So it's like
Yeah.
you tend to generalize like if I do this, I might commit the same mistake. So it's like you don't consider the iba-iba yung tao, di ba? Ay, biglang tumahimik, nag-isip. Okay. Let's go to number four, psychological conditions.
Fear and depression. So
Yes.
there's fear, depression, feeling empty and hollow inside.
Ako din minsan naiisip ko din yan. Pero ayoko na mag-isip.
Yeah.
I think I just need to needle GB35. Ah, no, no, no. Yeah. SJ5 and the GB41.
41.
Yeah.
63.
Open.
45. 41. Okay.
Punta na tayo sa number five.
Obsession with future. So there's disappointment in settling for second best, never reaching full potential, inability to accept death.
Sana nag-enjoy yung iba, ha? This is so, this is actually very interesting, no? Especially if you have a patient na, I don't know, ako kasi I'm an empath. I could really feel what a person is feeling.
Mm,
So, minsan nagugulat na lang siya, sinasabi ko na. I don't know where I got that from, but I think it's more about being, getting used to talking to
mm,
people, no?
mm,
So, hindi man ako manghuhula, pero I could tell if what I
mm,
said can hurt the patient or I could also know what is going on inside. Mga ganon.
mm.
So this one, disappointment in settling for second best, especially if you want to go to heaven. And then you cannot accept that because you're not prepared. So sa mga hospice settings, no, you pair this with yin wei Ma.
Mm,
So yung mga nasa hospice care, like Cheers, you remember si Dr. Sandy Montano. In fact, I don't know if this is what they do, no? Kasi marami siyang nurses. She's also a nurse. She's,
mm,
she has many hospice, ano pa tawag dito? Yeah, hospice. Hospice, yung parang
mm,
home for those who are parang
mm,
hinihintay na lang yung ano, no? So, i-combine mo pala yung ano, combine mo yung Yang Wei Mai sa Yin Wei Mai. The trajectory, I think you mentioned this earlier, no? From the
Mm.
lateral foot to the brain, so the Taiyang to Shaoyang to Yangming, then brain. Okay? So there are two trajectories, one going to do 15 or 16, and the other to GB. So GB 13. The opening point, Mom Tricks. Hello.
Sanjiao 5.
Yeah. For females, kasi female daw is right,
Mhm.
needle on the right, left for males. The paired channel, Daimai. So, pag sinabi mong paired channel, kasabwat, no? Daimai is actually the girdle, the belt channel. And so if you say that ito yung paired channel, di ba kanina, Sanxiao 5 and GB41. So we can say that the pair for the Daimai, the opening and coupled point would be, so opening point niya would be GB41. The coupled point is San Xiao 5, no? Okay, what about the pulse of these patients?
It's vibrating at two positions, the Tsun and the Quan, for the superficial level.
So the distal pulses, no? The super, nagbabibrate. Sige nga, try nyo daw. Ay,
Vibrating.
gusto ko yan. Nagbabibrate. Soon and Quan, superficial. Please tell us about what you know about bladder 63.
So it's the metal gate or golden gate.
Mm-hmm.
It's posterior to the fifth tuberosity. Metal allows us to go outward in the world. It
Mm-hmm.
treats seizures, panic attacks, Wei Qi deficiency, lethargy, suicidal tendencies, and soothes sinews and the
Yeah. Kung
Shan.
may mga suicidal tendencies, you use bladder 63. Lagay
Hmm.
mo na lang sa ear. GB35.
GB35 or the Yang exchange or sheik left of the Yang Wei mine. It's seven soon superior to lateral malleolus.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
a
flatliner,
flatliner. Cardiac arrest.
cardiac arrest, last ditch effort to use a strong stimulation, the collapse of yang or fainting combined with GB13 if there's no pulse. So there's also panic about life's transitions, clears mind of confusions, sense of being hollow, tossing and turning or insomnia, uncontrolled crying or leakage of chi and humor, spontaneous sweat, wheezing, hemorrhage, and chronic diarrhea. So there's also dispersed analgesic for leg pain, migraines due to stress, and hip pain.
Interesting, ang dami niyang uses, no? What makes me so
Analgesic
excited
for
about yung flatliner cardiac arrest niya, no? Kasi,
mm-mm.
ano, so para hindi ka mag-cardiac arrest, igwasya mo na yung GB35.
Before
GB29.
um, it's the meeting of Yang Wei and Yang Xiaomai,
Mhm.
or this also called the squat bone. It's the point where beliefs about past and future enter Yang Xiaomai and inform gait and posture. Damp in lower jaw, heaviness, constipation, diarrhea, short-term memory loss, and absent-mindedness.
O sige, yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, yung mga absent-minded. Needle GB29. GB29. Oh, LI14. This is my favorite for
Called,
shoulder pain.
called the upper arm
LI15 pala, sorry.
or
Tig- Sorry.
fosters ability to be active and to deal with challenges,
Mm.
brings willingness to handle a new image of oneself, also clears heat, explosive temperament, agitation, eyes, meeting of stomach channel and the yang of the arm.
Yeah, eye disorders, where you
Yes.
have the stomach channel meeting the yang of the arm. LI-15 pala yun, SJ pa, yeah, okay. Very ano siya, no? Very psychiatric. You see, it's like actually asking the patient to really become a new person, no?
Mm-mm.
Magkaroon ng new image of oneself. So we really need a good one here, a good practitioner. SI10, my favorite, sa may kilikili banda. Okay. It it's very good for arthritis or for those who cannot
Mm-hmm.
grasp things, and also trigger fingers and thumb. And this is the meeting at Weyang Chao Mai. Santiao 15. Okay. This is very good for chronic P syndrome. No?
Mm-hmm.
It holds junk. Kasi karamihan ng mga ito, mga puro maraming dampness, maraming phlegm.
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah.
GB21, it's so easy, ganunin mo lang siya. Masakit siya. Usually among women. It releases the um, Jingwell to restore consciousness. Okay? Para bumalik ka sa present. Okay? Clears phlegm on the breasts. Oo. I think ito na yun. Like I had a patient last time. Meron siyang thyroid issue, wala daw nakita after biopsy. Um, ano pa ba? Meron din siyang uterine fibroids, meron din siyang breast cyst. I think ito na yon, GB21. GB20, we all know that this is very good for the wind. No? It courses the wind, especially kung meron ka ng mga tremors, no? It also opens the sinuses and it opens awareness of aspirations to act with clarity. GB19 for indecisiveness, difficulty retrieving memory, and amnesia. What's the other point for absent-mindedness, mom tricks? GB20.
Uh,
Am I correct?
21.
Yeah. It also drains heat in the gallbladder. Did you know that gallstones
GB
dump
29.
GB29?
29.
I 29, I'm sorry.
There. Yeah, I'm
29 at
saying.
GB25. I. So for indecisiveness, GB19. Oh, 19 and 29. Let's try this.
19.
18 is good for, it supports the will to live. Oh, it treats the three ghosts, wandering, hunger, and sexual. Interesting. GB17. Actually, hindi ko alam itong mga points na to. It's a relaxation point, and then you do plum blossom if there is wind. Pag sinabi mong wind, nagkaroon na ng deviation yung tongue.
Oh, for Parkinson's.
Yeah, Parkinson's, yes. GB16, refusal to look at past. Kasi a person who
Mm-hmm.
cannot dwell on who cannot talk about the past, hindi pa siya nag-move on yan.
Mm-hmm.
So, hindi pa siya nag-move on yan. Okay? So, GB16. GB15 naman, for watery eyes, being upset about, ay, ganun pala yun. Tearing from allergies.
Ang
Okay?
dami pala na for
Grabe.
eyes.
Gawa kaya ako
For
ng
glaucoma, cataracts, and
yeah,
anything.
GB14. Sa ngayon ko common cataract. Ayan. Prevention. GB16. Blurred
Mm.
vision. Pag hindi pa siya mature.
Mm-mm.
GB14, dito lang yan, no? Stimulates creativity. Wow. It treats manic episodes. Needle obliquely toward the eyebrow. GB13, um, good for post-stroke, enables the change of mind. Di ba? You know where it is? I always combine this with Do 24. Tapos sasabihin lahat ng pasyente ng sekreto niya. Do 15. Inability to articulate, yung mga na-stroke.
Mm-mm.
16, no retention. Hindi mo siya i-retain. Sandali lang. To release unconscious somatized trauma, what will you do?
Parang you just poke it. Ganun.
You do copying. GB29 and SI10.
Uh, cup, use cupping on gallbladder 29. Yeah, and SI10.
What is the main function of Yang Wei Mom?
It
Yang.
controls the exterior. It controls the exterior of the body and governs the defensive.
So think of exterior. Parang future, di ba? The points, you mentioned this earlier. Just go through this. Basta
Mm-mm.
magtatapos siya sa do 16. Ang dami palang
Mm-mm.
uses ng mga points, no? Try ko kaya isa-isa yan. Clinical applications, number one, EPF win with shivering, diba? Exterior, Shaoyang pattern. When you have Shaoyang
Syndrome.
pattern, you have alternating chills and fever, P syndrome, headaches, backache, ear problems. Which conditions of EPF win is the Yang Wei good for treating? Which points would you use? Shivering, either wind cold or wind heat, aversion to cold. So, since exterior siya, the pulse is floating, prominent ang shivering, ear symptoms like earache. So, these are the points to use. Santiao 5. Okay, if you notice, talagang uunahin po ninyo ang um, opening and coupled points. Okay? You can never
Triple.
go wrong. Unahin nyo. Kahit nakalimutan nyo na yung iba,
Mhm.
so, sa menu, no, unahin niyo yung SJ5, GB41. Then you have
So five.
MR4, yeah, GB20, bladder 12. According to the 6 stages, what conditions are treated with Yang Wei? Which points would you use? So, di ba, Shaoyang ang indication nito? You have intermittent
Prevention.
fever and chills. Intermittent, papalit-palit.
Mm-mm. Oh,
So,
pala.
napansin mo, Sanxiao 5 and GB41. Ella
One.
11, pag matagal na po yung heat, interior na po yan. GB13, nakalimutan ko. GB13. In regards to P syndrome, which
13 is for extinguishes wind.
okay, GB13. Sa P syndrome naman, which area of the body is
Yeah.
affected?
Uh, lateral side of the body, including the side of the neck.
So dito banda. Yung pala yun. Okay. What types of headaches would you see with the Yang Wei? Which points are effective?
Chronic headaches along the GB channel or any yang meridians along the neck and head can also overlap with the patterns such as liver yang rising or liver fire. And then points,
It's usual
Sanjiao 5,
5 and GB.
GB41, LI4, GB20, and liver 3.
Now you see, you can never go wrong with Santiago 5 and GB41. Siguro no, since sanay
Mm-mm.
naman tayo gumamit ng mga iba, ito na lang kaagad, no? What sort of back pain would you see with Yang Wei?
Unilateral pain affecting the lateral side of the body.
Oo, lalo na pag may swelling. Okay. One side. How would you compare back pain in Yang Wei and
Mm-mm.
Yang Chao? Remember Yang Chao? Mm.
Mm.
Anong
Yang Wei, the girl. Your channel is mainly affected. So there's floating pulse.
Okay.
Because
Shaoyang.
that's yang chow. Bladder channel mainly
Yes.
affected. So it's full and the wiry pulse.
Remember,
Flowing.
yung papunta na rito,
Float.
mata, di ba? What TCM patterns are involved with ear problems in the yang way? Which points would you use?
Liver fired and damp heat in the gallbladder. So we use gallbladder 2, Sanjiao 17,
Saan?
Sanjiao 5, gallbladder 41, liver 2, and gallbladder 34.
Okay. Parating magka-partner si ano ha, San Xiao 5 and GB41. The tie, the Sea of Mingmen pairs with which vessel?
Yang Wei.
Which vessel can deal with how we link up to others in groups and how we link to the world?
Yang Wei.
Okay. So, yung iba dyan, kung may mga anak kayo na mukhang wala masyadong friends, this vessel reflects the activities, the movements that you're able to do over time.
Yang Wei.
This vessel is related to articulating who we are back out into the world.
Yang Wei.
Kapag na-memorize mo, katulad ni Mom Tricks, lahat ng mga points, then probably you'll emerge a new person, o di ba? Wang Suhe says that this vessel is the linking of Wei Qi.
Yang Wei.
Herbalists would say that this vessel links the Qi.
Yang Wei.
The vessel originates where all of the yang meets.
Yang Wei.
The role of this vessel is to consolidate the surface of the body with the interior. Ah, okay. Yang Wei pa rin.
Yang Wei.
A dysfunction of this vessel can result in a Shaoyang. Kaya, di ba, gagamitin mo yung gallbladder talaga, in which something is trapped inside and will vacillate between Taiyang and Yangming layers. Ito yung mga
Yang.
kinamot yung ano nila, hindi naman kompleto, no? So, hindi
Mm,
rin nakalabas yung pathogen. Yang Wei. This vessel represents time.
Yang Wei.
The Yang Wei dominates a multiple choice. The what?
The lateral sides of the body. Letter C.
Hindi ba letter A? Exterior na.
Exterior ba? Okay. Ah, kasi.
Exterior. Di ba? Ko-communicate ka with the ano. Dominates. Kaya nga nandyan yung si
Um,
ano, si, ano to? Si Wei Chi.
si.
Di ba? Exterior siya. Paano siya magko-connect sa interior? Eh, may disconnect eh. Di ba? Letter A. Which EV connects with GB35?
Yang Wei.
Yeah, of
Letter C.
course. Which EV has a symptom of dyspnea with raised shoulders?
Yang Wei. Letter G.
Parang may artista yun noon, pag umuubo siya, gumaganon siya. Nahirapang huminga, nag-raise yung shoulders. Ah, okay. Pag ganun yung
Mm,
pasyente nyo, memorize nyo na yung points. Which EV has the following symptomatology? Visual dizziness, dyspnea, acute sudden pain and swelling of the lumbar region, chills and fever, dyspnea with raised shoulders.
Yang Wei.
Yes. Which EV originates at the outer foot and terminates at Do 16?
Yang Wei.
Puro yang. Which EV meets with San Xiao 15?
Yang Wei.
And
Letter
finally, besides the Yang Chao Mai, which of the following EV ascends to the shoulder?
Yang Wei. Letter
Wow,
A.
thank you so much, Mom Tricks.
Thanks,
It
Doc.
was very good, as usual.
Thanks, Doc.
Perfect. We'll take a short break.